Hi everyone, my name's Helen and we're here at the National Marine Aquarium and it's time for our toddler crafts. So this week we're going to be making these super fun shark fin hats. Now all you need this week is a few bits of card like this, a pair of scissors, a bit of glue or a stapler, doesn't matter which, and a pen and pencil, and then something to decorate your hat in as well. So to start off, what we're going to need to do is create the outside of our hat like this. So what you're going to need to do is get a bit of card, measure around your head so that it fits you nicely like that. And then what we're going to do, I'm just going to staple it, but you can glue it if you don't have a stapler. Staple it together like that. So we've got that bit of a hat. And then we're going to need to do the strap of our hat at the top there. So you're just going to again get another piece of card like that, measure it on your head like that so that it fits like that. Now I've got mine. So I'm just going to staple that again. Perfect. So now we've got a little hat, but we need to make it super fun, so we're going to make a little shark fin to go on top of it. Now I've just drawn a shark fin there, nice and curved at the front and then curved back the other way underneath as well. So what I'm going to do is just cut this one out. So now I've cut him out, what I'm going to do is just bend the bottom bit here like this, so that we can attach that bit to our hat. So we've got a nice bend in it there. And I need my hat. And then all I'm going to do is just staple him on to here. Again, you can use glue if you need to. Just give him a few staples there. Staples like that. Beautiful shark fin hat there. Now you can decorate yours like I've decorated mine here. I've painted it blue, but you can paint yours any colour that you like. Thank you for joining us today. If you've got any creations you want to show us, post them in the comments below and we'll see you next week. Bye!